Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Trello for project management, detailed guide. To begin optimizing Trello for project management, create a new Trello board specifically for your project. Name the board clearly to reflect the project's purpose. Next, define your project's key stages or milestones. For each key stage, create a separate list on the board. Now, add cards to each list representing tasks or actionable items. Ensure each card has a descriptive title for clarity. Include detailed descriptions in the card to outline what is required for each task. Use checklists within the cards for tasks that require multiple steps. Assign team members responsible for each task by adding them to their respective cards. Set due dates on the cards to establish timelines for task completion. Utilize labels to categorize tasks by priority, team member, or status. Consider using color-coded labels for easy visual identification of categories. Add attachments, such as documents or images, directly to the cards for easy access. Set up Power UPS to enhance Trello's functionality for your project needs. Popular Power UPS include Calendar for due dates and Google Drive for file integration. Encourage team members to leave comments on cards for updates or collaboration. Regularly review and update the board to reflect changes in task status. Use the calendar view to track deadlines and ensure timely completion of tasks. Monitor your project's progress by analyzing the completed tasks in the lists. At the end of the project, archive completed lists and cards for future reference. Keep in mind to continuously gather feedback from your team on the Trello setup. Adjust your board layout and features based on team input for optimal usability. This will ensure your Trello board remains an effective tool for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.